If you need to reliably send emails from your WordPress site, Gravity SMTP and Mailgun have you covered. Hey, this is Dustin from the Gravity team, and we're going to be looking at setting up Gravity SMTP with Mailgun so you can make sure your emails reach your users' inboxes. If you're looking for a written guide, be sure to check out our blog. I've linked it in the description. Let's dive in. As a prerequisite, you'll need Gravity SMTP already installed in an existing Mailgun account. And to send emails with Mailgun, you'll first need to authenticate your WordPress site's domain name with them. In your Mailgun dashboard, go to the Domain section within the Send tab, then select Add a new domain. In the domain name field, you'll need to select whether you want to use your root domain name, such as yoursite.com, or a subdomain, like mg.yoursite.com. Mailgun recommends using a subdomain to avoid potential conflicts with other email tools that you may wish to use, so we'll be using an MG subdomain in this video. Next, select your domain region, which is simply the physical location of the server that will send your site's emails. We'll leave the other settings at their default values and select Add Domain. For the next step, you'll need to install and verify the DNS records listed on screen to authenticate your domain name. This process will vary based on your DNS provider, but Mailgun provides tutorials for many common providers. You can also check out our previously mentioned blog article to see how this process works with Cloudflare. Once that's done, you'll need to create a Mailgun API key, which is what you'll use to connect Gravity SMTP to Mailgun. So head to the API security page and click Add New Key. I'll give the key a name and then click Create Key. Now, worth noting, the API key will only be displayed once, so be sure to copy it and save it in a secure location. Then head to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Gravity SMTP integrations page. Open the Mailgun settings and fill out the information on screen. Note that if you authenticated a subdomain in Mailgun, you must enter the full subdomain in the sending domain field. Then save your changes and use the toggle to connect Gravity SMTP to Mailgun, and you're all set. If you're looking to verify that everything is working correctly, you can send a test email with the Send a Test tool. That's all for this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching.